All right, good morning, Global Studies students. It is March 11th through the 17th, and I want to run you through our weekly video. So here we go. Let's start with our checklist. On March 11th, as it opens up here, again, this checklist should be put into Notability so you can check off when you accomplish each task. Today, you are going to be going to the folder called Russia Cold War. You'll find it in this week's folder. In there's a note sheet called the Cold War. Put that into Notability. All right, you're going to use that for the next few days. And in there, you'll find the PowerPoint you're going to be using, as well as some videos that Mr. Gallagher made. You will complete steps 1 through 3 on your note sheet. In the folder for the week, all right, you are going to see a study guide. It's in as an assignment, and you are going to need to complete this because you are going to be having your Russia test next Thursday or Friday, depending on which cohort you are. The study guide is going to take everything from the note sheets that you've been working on for this unit, and it is going to narrow them down. So if you complete the study guide and you actually study it, you are going to be doing a really nice job on the test. The study guide is worth 10 points. Also, as you know, in current events, there's a trial going on, the case of Derek Chauvin versus George Floyd. All right. We are going to present to you as a global department some unbiased views of what's happening in the trial. All right, and so we are going to have, if you're cohort B and distance learners, please watch the trial video, and it talks through the steps of kind of what a jury selection is, as well as some introductions. If you're in class, we will talk about it live. Friday, go to your note sheet that you started yesterday. You're going to do steps 3 through 6 on your note sheet. All right. You will also continue to work on your study guide and make sure that you get that all finished. Monday, we are going to a different folder, one that's called Brezhnev to the Fall of the USSR, or the Soviet Union. In that folder, there is going to be a note sheet with the same name. You'll upload that into Notability, and you will use the presentation to complete that. Now, once again, you will not submit your notes. Your notes are something that you are going to be using for your study guide. Tuesday, this is going to be study guide. All right, our whole plan here is for you to finish and actually study the study guide. Just because you fill out the questions does not mean you're studying it. All right, cover up the answers, say them out loud, write them down on note cards. All right, the more you write them, the more they say them, the more your brain is going to remember them. Wednesday on your catch-up day, again, I really encourage you to study for your study guide because it will take place on the Thursday or the Friday. Have a wonderful week.